9 years ago today, the stock market hit its financial crisis low, and Squawk on the Street anchor Mark Haynes made a bold call the next morning.
I'm going to step out on a limb here.
This is the big, hold on, everyone. We've been waiting for this.
I think we're at the bottom. I really do.
Since hitting what we call the Haynes bottom, the S&P 500 has posted a 300% gain. And it's funny, Jim and Scott, when you go back to that day, when we all remember it well. I mean, where it was 666, something like that in the S&P. And the fear was, people were saying, "What do you, paper money, no good anymore. I'm going to bury gold in my backyard." ATMs. I mean, there was a level of panic. And so when you think and hear Haynes there, you got to remember sort of the atmosphere at the time.
Yeah, I think it's important for those who followed Haynes as someone. I mean, I followed Mark when my first meeting with Mark was when I sent him a blistering email about a call that he had made. And of course he was right.
But he wasn't a market prognosticator like you.
No, but what happened is that's exactly the point. There was then a prolonged period where he made no prognostications. I mean, literally just stopped. And then he made this one. So when he says, "I'll go out on a limb," what people should know, and now there are a lot of people who don't remember the late Mark Haynes because a new group of people come in, he didn't make those calls.
Right.
This was, it was did he just, did Mark just, I mean, it was like that. These were not, he did not make the call. Like a lot of people come on, like we've had people come on, not as much anymore. It's like, this is it. And then it wasn't it. So they come back and say, no, this is it. No, there was none of that.
Yeah, it's become fashionable to make a call, right? But Mark made the right call. And I wonder, would you have ever thought when he made the call at 666 that the bull market would still be raging? Maybe not raging as much as it has been over the last year, but still, bull market's still on.
Oh, the bull market is so on.
Would you have thought that?
No, and I just think it's been pronounced dead. That's the best thing that's happened. It's pronounced dead. There was a 19% correction when our debt was downgraded. S&P downgraded
S&P, yes, that's right.
And that was a day where people, that's the second worst day that I saw, because there were a lot of people who felt if the downgrade of the debt occurred, therefore the U.S. was going to be insolvent. And that was the big decline. And then since then, boom.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.